morning. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to the second installment of my vacuuming. First, I'm going to show you my wound from this morning. I fell getting into the bathroom, actually getting into the bathtub, and my glasses smashed my face, and I have a little injury, but I'm okay. So I'm gonna just pick things up. These dogs make a great big mess, and then I'm going to vacuum. Hi, girls. I'm not very good at folding blankets, but let's give it a whirl. So my mom is coming over today. I know it's kind of early, but I want to get my Christmas decorations up. Yesterday on the radio or the TV or something, I heard that Christmas is only 5 weeks away. And yeah, I want to get in the spirit because boy, that's really not folded. Let me try that again. Yeah, I just want to get into the holiday spirit. I heard Christmas music a few times this week and last week, and it was the first time in my life where it was like, oh my gosh, it's too early. It's too early for this. So I'm trying to get in the spirit. So this hopefully will help. Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know how these dogs always throw every single pillow on the ground, but they do. My wheelchair is still broke. My brake broke off last week. I need to get it fixed. I'm gonna put the heating pad away. That's a good thing. Put these pillows up. I'm definitely gonna need a good nap today for sure. Yeah, I wonder what everyone's holiday traditions are for Thanksgiving. Really just like to stay at home and just enjoy family and food and no other pressure. Don't really like going anywhere. Just being with the immediate family. Just my husband and son is perfect. Ooh, let's see if I can. How does that look? It's not perfect, but it's okay. Hi, Lola. Do you want another pillow? Your blankie? Ugh. Ah. Ball number 2. But I'm sure it's very interesting to watch my movements I'm finding it interesting as well because it's just interesting to see how my body works and doesn't work. Let's try this again. You dogs have so many toys. Oops. Perfect. Yeah, so the vacuum still have a lot of work to happen. No one can rest. Biggest school, don't fall out of the wheelchair. Don't you like this here? You're a good girl. You're a good girl too. You're a good girl too. Okay. Let's bring this vacuum over. Break. Break, break, break. So I don't want to get into it too much, but right now I'm taking some time off work. Yeah, I used to work a lot, up to 70 hours a week, probably. In the past year, I've definitely gone down. Last couple of years, I've gone down a lot. And yeah, I'm just trying to figure out life and, my next step. It's just very different from being at work 10 to 12 hours a day or longer, and now being at home. It's great. I love it. It's just a change for me and my family. So we're all just adapting and trying to figure it out. And these girls, they love it. They love it. Hello, you love me home. Yeah, it's not bad. I'm enjoying it more than ever. So, okay, let's try this vacuum. And did you guys put rocks in? It sounds like gravel. Ooh. Stuck. You're gonna sit up there, kitty cat. Almost done. Almost done. If I didn't fall out with vacuuming, I still have some work to do. But we have different abilities. Just focus on what you can do. Voila. Okay. It's important to focus on what you can do and not what you can't. Just another thing to remember is if you're in a bad mood or you're having negative feelings, just remember that you have control over those feelings and how you feel. So don't be in a bad mood. Don't think about the negative stuff. If it pops into your head, just move on and just say, no, I don't want to. Yeah, just think about something else. It's really important. Am I bleeding anymore? Oh, just a little bit. I put a Band-Aid on, but it looked really funny. Let's see, yeah. So when I get all of the decorations up, I'll show you what they look like, and it'll be so exciting. These girls are gonna just hang out with me today. And girls, Lola, good, you're good, and Jasmine, you're good. Yeah, they're just gonna take care of me. I think I'm gonna make a cup of tea and relax. Just take a break. I'm actually very exhausted from the little work that I did do. So I've noticed since I've been home that I just didn't realize how much energy was being consumed by me working. I would go to work, I would come home, I would go straight into the couch, and yeah, I was tired all the time. Just extreme fatigue. So I'm still tired a lot, but I can actually feel life and feel like a normal person. So that's great. So have a great day. Stay positive. Um, yeah, stay positive. I know you can do it. Thanks. Turn off. Turn off. I can't find the button.